morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, when we look at our flowers, the fruits in our garden, and the plants in our garden, we always want them to be very healthy, lush, green, and should bear very healthy fruit to us. We are never satisfied, and all this we have to achieve with organic means. Today I'm going to share a very useful organic fertilizer with you, which is very instant booster. It brings more flowers, more fruits, and your flowers become very bright and vibrant. The result of this fertilizer will be reflecting in your garden. It is not any chemical, it's a magic fertilizer which will do wonders for your plants. Friends, this is papaya plant. See how nice and healthy it is growing, and I am sure very soon it is going to bear nice tasty fruit. So friends, without wasting any time, let me share the fertilizer with you. It is nothing new. This fertilizer is available in your garden very easily and very freely. It is used its use will reflect in the color of the blooms, in the shining of the leaves, in the vibrance in your garden. So friends, shall we see what is that secret fertilizer which will increase the size of your buds? Friends, here I have taken 2 big size aloe vera leaves, and this I am chopping into thin slices in this mug in which I have taken 1 liter water. Friends, try to chop the slices as thin as possible because we are going to squeeze the gel out from these leaves with bare hands. We are not going to use any mixie or anything to make a juice. We are going to squeeze the gel in these leaves, the transparent gel that you can see with our own bare hands. You have to mash it and squeeze it in such a way that the gel will get mixed in the water. Very soon you will see the change in the color. The white transparent water is turning green, and slowly when all the gel gets released into the water, the whole water will turn brown. So friends, you have to squeeze this gel and let it stand in the water for at least 2 to 3 hours so that all the gel gets mixed in the water. This is little bit time taking, but the benefit that yields in your garden is clearly visible. Within 2-3 days you will see growth in your plants. Friends, aloe vera has many micronutrients, very high nutrition value, that it is used as a rooting hormone also. That is the nutritional value of aloe vera. Now friends, see, the water has turned brown. The whole gel has got mixed in the water. Now this 1 liter water we will dilute in 10 liter bucket, because this is very strong fertilizer. We will dilute it in 10 liters water, and this fertilizer will promote growth of your plants, will increase the size of the flowers, will increase the size of the buds, will increase the number of flowers that come on your plant. Your plants will be full of flowers and full of buds, and the leaves will be shining big. So we are diluting it in 10 liters water, and this water, diluted water, we will give to our indoor plants, outdoor plants. This water can also be used as a foliage spray on all your foliage plants. You can filter the water and use it as a foliage spray. Your leaves will shine, they will become bright. Today I am using it to water my plants only. I will use this water to water all my indoor plants, outdoor plants, flowering plants, fruit plants, foliage plants. All my plants I will fertilize with this water. Even in this tray garden also I will give this water. The plants in this tree garden also will become very nice and healthy. I am using this one small mug. With this I am watering all my plants. So friends, make this fertilizer and do like, share and subscribe my channel Organic Gardening Mantra.